It's choreographed by Shellie Blake. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance, so you can hopefully dance this dance on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn. Feels so good. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a kick ball change, so we're going to kick that right foot low and forward, step your right next to your left, step your left next to your right. We're now going to do 2 walks forward, right, left, and we're going to do a rocking chair with our right foot, rocking forward with the right, recover back on your left, rock back with your right, recover onto your left. So let's try that part with some counts. Kick ball change, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 quarter pivots, so we're going to step our right foot forward. You're going to make that quarter pivot coming onto your right foot, pushing around, putting your weight back onto your left foot. You're now at 9 o'clock. We're going to repeat that, step that right foot forward, push around on that right foot, come back onto your left to face 6 o'clock. We're now doing 2 kicks and points, so we're going to kick that right foot low and forward, step it next to your left, point your left toe to the left side, kick your left foot forward, step it next to your right, and point your right toe to the side. So let's try that with some counts. We're doing our 2 quarter pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to shuffle forward with our right foot. So we're going to step our right foot forward, left together, right forward. You're going to take your left heel, tap it forward, quickly step it next to your right, and touch your right toe next to your left. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back on your left, and we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the side, and we're going to do a side shuffle, left together, right side. So let's try that with some counts. We're shuffling forward with our right foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, we're going to do a jazz box with a touch. So we're going to cross our left over our right, step our right foot back, step your left foot to the side, and touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do a half turning Monterey. We're going to point our right toe to the right side, and as you point to the side, slightly twist your body to the left. It will give you some momentum to be able to come all the way around. So we're pointing to the side, slightly angling our body to the left. We're going to make that half turn over our right shoulder on our left foot, come all the way around, step your right next to your left. You're now at 3 o'clock. Point your left toe to the side, step together, end of dance. So let's try that with some counts. We're facing 9 o'clock, weights on our right foot. We're doing that jazz box. 1, 2, 3, touch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, end of dance. So now let's face the front wall. We're going to do it all the way through, 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts. So kick ball change, walk, walk right, rocking chair, 2 quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot, kick, step, point, right shuffle, left heel step, touch, right rock, recover, right quarter side shuffle, jazz box with a touch, Monterey half, point together. Ready to start all over again facing 3 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Kick ball change. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. So now we're going to go all the way around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we'll do our counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our kick ball change. Kick ball change, walk, walk, rocking chair. Now 2 quarter pivots, step, quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot, kick, step, point, right shuffle forward, left, heel step, touch, right rock, recover, right quarter side shuffle. Jazz box with a touch, Monterey half turn. Start over. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball, change, walk. Walk right, rocking chair. 2 quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot. Kick, step, point right, shuffle. Left heel step, touch, right, rock, recover, quarter side, shuffle. Jazz box with a touch, Monterey half. One more time, kick. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now when I dance this, I like to add some hips in, but this is totally up to you. So when I do that rocking chair, I like to kind of throw my hips forward and back into it because it is a fun song. When I do those quarter pivots, I like to roll my hips around, make it a little more sassy. That's also something that you can choose to do. Another thing I like to add into the dance is when I do that jazz box, I kind of like to do a bigger step to the side when I touch and make it kind of like a slide touch Monterey, just to add some extra sass into it. It's not on the step sheet. These are just some styling options that I like to do when I dance it. So hopefully it increases your fun in the dance. I hope this helped you learn. Feels this good? If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.